Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma back at it again with another video. I know it's been a little bit and I'm sorry, but I started back at my other job, which means I am now working 3 jobs and a mom and trying to keep sane through all this. So, sorry for that. I still have a lot of videos planned, so keep an eye out for that, and of course always comment down below if you have any video suggestions or something you want to watch. But today, I got a new Apple Watch. So I got the Series 5 in silver aluminum case, white sports band, 44mm. Just got the GPS because I had the Series 3 watch with LTE, and I never used the LTE, so I'm not going to spend extra money to get LTE when I'm not going to use it. But I had the Series 3 GPS and cellular 42mm in space gray, and I loved it. I'm actually selling this one. The girl is actually on her way right now, which is funny, but yeah, I found this one for cheap. It's not even opened, but the guy said he got it as a gift and he already has one, so he's selling it, and I got it for $240, which is like a steal. It's a Series 5. But anyway, let's open this up. Oh, wait, it's the pull tab one. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at all the... Look at this. Look at... Ooh. I love this packaging. By the way. Okay, let's start with the sports band. It's gonna go pull tab right here and go up. Yeah. Alright. There we go. Ooh, so it's just a white sports band. And I'm going to need the small medium right here. Put that to the side. Okay, now it's the... Got all your instructions. You got your cute little charging brick, which your charging cord, and the best part, and I love that it comes in this little case. Hold on, let's see. Wow, this thing is huge. Hold on. Wow, that's going to be weird to get used to. Because I had the 42mm and this is the 44. Oh my gosh, look at the back. Okay. Let's get the band. Okay, I always forget which way these go. Oh my gosh, it's turning on. It's turning on. It's turning on. Oh, look at that. I think this is the right way. I don't know. Let me check. That is the wrong way. Go me. Okay, now let's... Oh yeah, I already started my Apple Watch tan, by the way. So that's great. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Let's set it up. Oh my gosh, it already popped up. Continue. Oh wait, I have to do the thing with the thing. Alright, here it is. Yay, it's paired. Okay, restore from backup. Oh my goodness, there's so many to choose from. Look at all of my backups. Alright. There it is. I don't like that the phone does that. I think the government's watching. Okay. Creating a passcode. Continue. Oh, I don't remember. I don't remember that one. There, this one's the one that matters. Okay, emergency SOS, clock faces. Yay, it says Apple Watch is syncing. So I think it's just going to download, and I will be back when everything is set up and downloaded. Okay, so I'm back. So it took about maybe 20 minutes or so for everything to download, but I did download apps I had on my old Apple Watch, so it might have taken longer than if you were setting up a new Apple Watch. But here it is. I have it on this screen. It's got all these cool new faces now. Wait. Which is so cool. I like this one too, but I can't tell that time as fast as I can if it's just, you know, out there and it just says, hey, look, it's 11:30. So that's why I chose the other face, this face. But yeah, I set it up. I was looking at the new features. They seem super cool. There's like a new fall feature, like if you fall and it will alert you, like, hey, dude, you fell. Yeah, but I'm going to play around with it. I'll probably keep you updated in some vlogs that I post later. But so far, I love it. This is a bigger screen than my 42mm because my 42mm had a bigger bezel around the watch, and this is just like she's all screen, as you can see. So it like takes up my whole wrist. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. And yeah, also, if you didn't know, if you had a 42mm watch and you want to upgrade to the Series 5, you get the 44mm, all of your bands will fit your new watch. Same with if you had a 38 and you get the 40mm. So that's really great because I do have a couple Apple Watch bands that I want to keep and I don't want to buy new ones. So yeah, but thank you for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, peace.